Hello, this is JNN Reviews here, and today let me tell you why these are the right shoes for your children. So, mine are color black, white, and brown, as you can see here, and I love them. This is a big plus for my son because he can slip on his feet. He can use it for basketball, he can use it for walking around, even for going to school. So this was a free sample by Dream Pairs, and it is awesome. Here you can see some cushion inside, and here is a water resistant. So even if my son steps on water or if he's running and it's a wet day, then that's okay because this has like a grip anti-slip, and I like it because it's so easy to put on, even easy for me as a mom to clean it. So I like the style. I like that he can mix it with different outfits. I hope you check them out. They're awesome and have very beautiful colors. Thank you for watching my video.